So here we are, surprise, surprise, at another sneaker lineup. I was just doing the math this morning, and I probably spend like 8 days a year sitting in line to buy shoes. That's nuts. So it is what time is it? 5:48 in the morning on Friday, April 12th. I just woke up literally 2 minutes ago, just put on some clothes, and we are heading out to the mall today to pick up a pair of sneakers. It is, of course, the Crimson Tint Jordan 1s. I am so excited to get these. I love Jordan 1s. I love pink shoes. This is like the perfect culmination. I mean, besides the Art Basel Jordan 1s that cost like $3,500 in my size, this is the best I'm gonna get, and I am pumped. Thank you for tuning in so much. I do really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and of course, I'll leave my Instagram right here if you guys would like to check that out. All right, we really need to get to the mall now. Every time I'm in the mall this early, it just really sketches me out. I mean, it feels like a ghost town. You come here in the middle of the day, there's hundreds, if not thousands of people, and I am like literally the only person in the entire building besides security right now. Oh my goodness, I think we are getting lucky today, boys and girls. Look at this. Look at this. This is Champs right here. Champ Sports. This is the line. You may notice there is no line because I am the first in line. This is the greatest thing that ever happened to me. Is that exaggeration? Maybe, but not by a lot. I don't really have much else to do until the store opens, so I guess we'll just hang out here with our weirdly dressed full tracksuit mannequin champion friend. Update. Apparently I got into the mall too early, because that's a thing that exists. So I need to wait outside of my car for like another half an hour. Then I can go back into the mall. Fingers crossed that I still have my place after that. Okay, back in the mall. An hour later, half an hour later, 45 minutes later, I'm honestly not sure. The moment of truth to see if anyone is outside of Champs yet. I think we're good, fingers crossed. Here's the situation, there's like 6 people in front of me, so not the end of the world, not first in line anymore, unfortunately, but I mean, we're still gonna get a pair because, I mean, they definitely have more than 6 pairs. I hope. Okay, I have good news and I have bad news. Good news, I got my pair of shoes. We got the ticket right here from Champs guaranteeing me my pair. The bad news is they only had 11 pairs and literally didn't even have a single pair of size 12. So it was either I take an 11 or I take a 13. So I went with the size 13. Not ideal, hopefully I can trade for a size 12. There's like a sneaker event next month in Winnipeg. Maybe I can get one there. I really wanted a size 12. I don't have a size 12. But at least I get the shoes. Okay, I just wanted to note, apparently these sold out like everywhere in the States, and they're still sitting here in like every single size. I mean, they have 4 pairs out on the shelf. And they're actually going for like significantly above retail on StockX as well, which is weird. It's a Jordan 14, but apparently, I mean, a lot of people like these.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Got a VIP card?
No. Thanks. Have a go. Here they are. It might not be the correct size, except it's close enough. Who knows? I might try and squeeze into the 13s, or I mean, stretch into the 13s, or I might try and trade these for a size 12. I'm not sure yet. I haven't even seen these yet, so we need to fix that ASAP. Aaron!
Yo!
I felt like you might like these. Have you seen them yet?
I have not seen them yet. I'm assuming they're Jordan 1s, given Jordan 1s came out today, and given the box.
I haven't even seen these yet.
You haven't seen them yet?
No.
You saw them.
No, I didn't.
You sure? You didn't pull them out after you bought them?
100%.
You didn't? Really?
Yes.
That's weird. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, these things are absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I was able to get these, even if it's not in the perfect size. Wow, these things smell like a lot. Woo! Wow, that hit me. That is just like a whiff of chemical new car smell. Oh my goodness. I'm not saying it smells bad. I'm not saying it smells good, but it smells. I mean, Jordan 1s always smell like chemicals and glue. I've never had one smell this much like chemicals and glue. That is actually shocking. So this is an awesome colorway because it mimics all of my favorite colorways. It mimics the shadows, it mimics the breads, mimics the royals, all of these classic OG colorways, except instead of having those colors, it adds this dust pink or crimson tint or whatever we're calling this. It reminds me also of the Arctic orange Jordan 1 lows without the swoosh that I have. See, this is what I'm talking about. Here you have the shadows and the breads, two classic, amazing OG Jordan 1 colorways with the exact same color blocking as these. Now, it might not be in the same sphere of amount of hype, and obviously they've never come out before, and they're not a classic Jordan 1 colorway by any means, but this color blocking, in my mind, black with a hit of color on the toe box, swoosh, and heel is always going to be a hit with me. I don't think you could put a color on these that I wouldn't like with this color blocking. Try it, Jordan brand, seriously, do every single color you can think of with this color blocking. You have my money, I will buy them 100%, like purple, green, pink, brown, yellow, ooh, yellow. I know there's already like the New Love Jordan 1s, except those are a mid-top and they're nubuck and really crappy leather. If you did a yellow on a high top with like good leather, whew, that would be sick. So they come with 2 pairs of extra laces. I have a sneaking suspicion I'm going to stick with the black ones. The black ones are gonna look dope in these. The green ones, they could look cool. The pink ones, I've seen pictures on Instagram with the pink ones already. They look trash with the pink ones in. I'm sorry if you disagree with me, but that is my humble opinion. They look trash with the pink laces in. These are not reselling somehow. I don't know how. I think this is an amazing colorway, and I think people are sleeping on these. And I would have to guess that these are gonna go up in resale value over time. So, wow, I need a size 12 as soon as possible because this is not gonna be okay if all of a sudden they're going for $400 and I still don't have a size 12. I wanna wear these things too. I wanna put these things straight on feet, rock these things because these are amazing. Now let's talk about the things I don't like really quick because I love Jordan 1s, I love pink. You'd think I'd be head over heels for these, but no, there's a couple things that I don't like. Actually, one thing I don't like. The leather on these is poo-poo. Just straight doo-doo, just straight bad. It's not good leather. The toe box is really hard, really stiff, feels like plastic. The tumbled leather, it's not tumbled leather. People really need to get their facts straight with this. It's simply a press. They have a mold or like an imprint. You know how you would stamp something onto a piece of leather? That's what they do. They have a big stamp, they stamp it onto the sheet of leather to give it this tumbled look. It's not tumbled leather, it's just stamped leather to have this design. That is true. I have that information from people that used to work at Jordan brand. Now that's not to say it's sub-quality leather, it's just not to say that it's tumbled leather. The black leather actually isn't that bad. The quality of the black leather is pretty good. If you're buying this for premium materials, don't do that. If you're buying them because it looks amazing, definitely go for that because these shoes do look amazing. I will definitely be picking up my size 12 as soon as possible and I can't wait to get those so I can throw them on feet. If I can't find a size 12, I might have to go with these honestly. You know what, let's see how big a size 13 is on me. I've only ever owned size 12s for Jordan 1s. I could do this. I can make this work. It's a little bit big. It's a little bit big. My toe is like there. Right there is where my toe is, so it's definitely big, but it's not like too big. I could probably make these work if I have to, except I want to find a pair of size 12s. Oh my goodness, I'm not kidding. This is not staged. I literally just got a text from my friend. Ask if I want an extra size 12 of the Crimson Tints. Yes, I want an extra size 12 of the Crimson Tints. This is like Christmas. This was meant to be. So I have a 13. I got my 12. Thank you so much. I don't know if I'm allowed to say who this is, but thank you so much. I really appreciate that. He's gonna be here in like an hour with the shoe. Oh, no, okay, that wasn't a text from him. I just got excited. I'm getting a size 12. Okay, so I'm gonna drive over, pick up the shoes from my friend right now. This has been a great day. I got the shoes, not in my size, but then I ended up still getting them in my size. Guys, thank you everyone for watching. I truly do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. And if you're still watching to this point of the video, make sure to comment guacamole to let me know that you're still watching till the end of the video, guys. That being said, I love you, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.